Hello everyone, my name is Pranav. Today I will be presenting a strategic audit of AI and brand management case study. Instead of simply recounting the success and failures, I have analyzed these events through the lens of our customer value management course. My goal is to demonstrate how frameworks like service profit chain, customer equities, and strategic CRM provide the diagnostic tools to understand why some brands thrived with AI while others faced severe backlash. Let's begin with question 1. What can we learn from success stories? The core lesson here is about strategic integration. As we learned in session 1, successful CRM requires moving from a transaction orientation to a relationship orientation. The successful brands in the case used AI to deepen relationship, not just automate transactions. Nike Air used generative AI to co-create prototypes with athletes. This builds relationship equity by making the customer feel recognized and valued as a partner in the creation process. IKEA Creative used AI to visualize furnitures in a user's home. In session 7, we discussed the concept of perceived sacrifice, the monetary costs like time and risk. By using AI to reduce the risk of buying the wrong item, IKEA lowered that perceived sacrifice, effectively increasing the net value of the customer. Orange used AI to challenge bias. This aligns the brand with societal values, enhancing brand equity, which is a critical component of overall customer equity. To understand this deeper, we look at the value equation on slide 3. From a CVM perspective, AI must create net value. The formula is simple: value equals benefits minus cost. Success stories like Nike and IKEA focused on increasing the functional and emotional benefits. Failures like Levi's focused on reducing the company's monetary cost, hiring fewer models rather than increasing customer value. Trust maintenance is key here. As per session 7 or 3, AI must reduce the gap between expected service and perceived service. When AI fails like TurboTax, giving bad advice, that gap widens and value is destroyed. Moving to question 2, the anatomy of failure. I have mapped these failures onto uncanny valley chart. Google Gemini suffered from woke bias and hallucinations, damaging its functional value. Levi's fell into the uncanny valley by using AI models that imperfectly mimic human diversity. This destroyed authenticity and social value. Lego violated its own internal policies, creating a conflict between its brand promise of human creativity and its actions. For question 3, we analyze the corporate responses using service recovery paradox from session 3. The defensive approach, Air Canada and Intuit use legal disclaimers. This is a classic transaction orientation. They prioritize short-term legal safety or long-term customer retention, pushing customers into bad recovery curve, which accelerates churn. The retrospective approach, Lego eventually admitted their mistake. This is an attempt to get onto good recovery curve, where effective service recovery can actually increase loyalty by demonstrating integrity. Question 4 asks, how do we prevent this? I propose a Swiss cheese model of governance grounded in session 5, Strategic CRM. The root cause of these failures was silo thinking. IT deployed tools to save money without marketing oversight. To prevent failures, we need multiple layers of defense. Data audits to ensure veracity, human review for high-stake interactions, sandboxing before public launch. Only when all layers align can we safely deploy AI. Finally, question 5 asks about broader lessons. The key takeaway is the balance between efficiency and empathy. AI is often sold as efficient tool to cut costs, but as we see in NEDA case, automating empathy destroys relationship equity. In conclusion, AI offers immense promise of personalization, but without strict governance and a focus on relationship equity, it risks driving customers away. Brands must use AI to serve customers, not just to save money. Thank you.